Good evening, team. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys know, today is Wednesday evening. What we're gonna be doing, we're gonna go ahead and do a breakdown. All right, guys. This is what I did today. Today was a pretty decent day for me. I took a loss as well early this morning because I was thinking that the market was gonna trend according. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly. This is the VIX. It's the market volatility. Let's go ahead and break down what it is. Um, VIX index. Okay, pretty much. VIX index is the ticker symbol and the popular name for Chicago Board Option Exchange (CBO) volatility index. Okay, is a popular measure of the stock expectation of the volatility based on S&P index options. Okay, so pretty much, team. What I was doing today is that I was trading today with three, but I still took a loss on the on QQQ today. Okay, let me go ahead and break it down for you guys so I could show you guys exactly what happened. But later on, I was able to bounce on Tesla. Okay, this is what's happening. This is the error I made, and I always say that I should have waited for confirmation. That's why it's good to have your moving average. Sometimes it kind of help you. This is where I got faked out. You see, let me go ahead and get it closer for you guys. Now, this is the QQQ, right? Let me go ahead and get it closer. As you can see here, this is the mistake that I made, and I was down about negative $400. There are some good days, but there are some bad days. But I was able to make at least $600 on pre-market with Tesla on the run because I just followed the direction. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is what happened this morning, right around like 10:02. I follow exactly what I usually follow on my pattern. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Let me go ahead. Okay, this is a pullback. It broke above, and I took a position around 10:24 for uptrend. But my problem was that I thought that the candle it formed, I thought that it was gonna go ahead and bounce again, and I kept riding it lower and lower and thinking that the market was gonna trend. But if you look at my 50 moving average and my 200 moving average, you could see those were support. Every time it hit those moving average, you got to think about it. It's good to take profit and wait for the direction and go down with it, because again, it could have kept going down or it could have been going up. But my mistake that I did, if you look at that green candle here, as it go down, I should have set a put position and ride it until it goes again above. But again, sometimes you make bad decision, and I was able to take a small loss of negative 400. But at the end, I was able to bounce back. All right. Let me show you exactly what happened on Tesla. Tesla did a great earnings and stuff like that. We're gonna go ahead and break it down for you guys, so you guys can see TSLE. Okay, breakdown of Tesla. Beautiful, beautiful day for Tesla. I'm really happy for all the traders that made some money. I was able to catch some juice at the end and avoid me losing a big amount of money today. So it's okay. It's okay. It's part of the trading. Not every day that you win, but I was still able to recover. This is what happened. Remember this morning, we said that, right? Let me go ahead and put the daily chart first. I'm sorry. Look, the daily chart is here. Right now, Tesla has a high of let me see, let me put it on my watch list so I can see more. 213, right? So if we go back here under 1 minute, Tesla is at 240. So from 214, Tesla rally up $30 upside. So let's go back to, you remember we spoke about it this morning, right? It needs to break about 223. So pretty much Tesla reached all the way up here, 240. So now we have to see if it's gonna become an uptrend or it just what do you call it? But again, team, it's just filling the gap. Be aware of that. There is a gap that is filling in, right? So it might do the same thing like it did after earning, and after that pull back down again, and after that start rallying up. Okay, so this is the issue. But again, team, when it comes to earning, I said that yesterday, right? You must pay attention to the 1 or 2 minutes chart. It's a simple decision. Again, you only could trade after market. You cannot do option. So guess what? When it started to rally up, I was able to catch some of that juice, and all the way up to here, I was able to drop it when the MACD started curving. But guess what happened? It started going consolidation, and it kept ripping. So Tesla did a pretty good run under earning. Let's see on the earning stage. Let's see what ended up happening in the investing. 1 second here. Let's read about it. Quick breakdown. It's always fun. Earnings. Okay, look at that. Tesla. Let's click on Tesla. Boom. Look what ended up happening, right? Revenue was 25.18. Forecast was 25.40. Okay, and here, as you guys can see, EPS was 0.72 and forecast was 1.60. So pretty much Tesla did its thing today. Congratulate to the team. As you guys can see, revenue was a little lower than forecasted, but the EPS projection was pretty good. Okay, so this is what ended up happening in Tesla, and this is what I always want to emphasize to my student. But team, the best way to trade, okay, a stock, always have your VIX. The VIX go opposite with the S&P and NASDAQ. So whenever the VIX is on an uptrend, usually the QQQ and SPY go on the downturn. So again, I made a big mistake today. I could have been a nice profit, but guess what? I was able to take a stop loss somewhere around 489, and later on I was able to make it back with my Tesla. Okay, so team, don't worry. At Mr. Full Profit, our job is to secure profit, and we take a small loss and we come back again and make it up. So again, this is my third screen that I was using today. As you guys can see, it's called the VIX. Okay, CB. Yeah, the CBOE, market volatility, and my SPY and my QQQ. As you guys can see, they went in the opposite direction. So that's what we did today. And again, congrats to all the team. Like and subscribe, and join the Patreon team. I'm gonna go ahead and put some more information. Again, like the minutes, the daily minutes from 9:30. I usually give my positions. Okay, that's the reason why I want you guys to. I won't be putting it on the YouTube channel because again, those are my private picks that I'm doing for myself. But I always like to teach you guys how to do the breakdown as well. All right. So go ahead and share everything with your friends and stuff like that, and let's hope for a better day. It's earnings season. Don't let it fool you. The market is really volatile. Be careful in playing option when it comes to earnings. Again, if it goes your direction, you're hitting the goal, but at the same time, you could hurt your account. Don't put what you can afford to lose as well. All right. Again, thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. We're gonna go ahead and close the chat. So again, let's go ahead and clap for the team that did pretty well. All right. So thank you so much, and have a great night.